As long as we're here in layer 7 is all about providing those high-end services. So this is a good place to put a very, very short introduction to cloud computing. Clouds can be a couple of different kinds. They can be private or they can be public. A private cloud would be cloud servers within my organization that provide services to the clients, or it can be a public organization that my company uses in order to gain services out off of the internet. So what do we use a cloud for? Well, lots of different things. For one thing, I could provide programs that can be run on less powerful computers. So for example, if I just put Microsoft Office on a cloud server, let's say inside my organization, then I don't have to have computers capable of running that entire Office suite. I can have less expensive computers and run the Office suite right off of a server in my organization. Or if I have a cloud service outside of my organization, I can actually spin up operating systems that I can run, say, different Linux systems or different Windows systems that I can run and use within my organization without having to buy the hardware for them. I can use virtual servers. I can actually spin up virtual servers on that external cloud server in order to host websites, provide storage space, backup, domain services such as Active Directory, to authenticate users, to do many other things. And they're there when I need them, and I can create them as I need them. Let's talk about some of those advantages. First of all, you're only paying for the capacity you use. Let's say I have a cloud service as a backup. Well, I don't have to buy multiple hundreds of terabytes of capacity in order to look forward to the future of what I'll need for backup. I can just buy and pay for the amount of capacity that I use at any given time, and when I need more, I just upgrade the amount that I have available to me on that cloud service. I'm also transferring risk to the cloud company. So rather than having to have my security team figure out all the possible risks of using say that storage server, that backup system, and so on, to prevent leaks from getting out, I can transfer that risk to that cloud company and let them worry about the security that they promise me, and then they have to do that security. Also very rapid expansion. So if I need a new storage server, I can spin that thing up like right now and have it done rather than having weeks of in-house testing and purchasing equipment and so forth for it. So you can see a lot of advantages to cloud computing.